When customers speak different languages, even simple banking issues can become difficult to resolve. Real-time translation allows agents to assist immediately and keep the interaction secure and efficient. This demo shows how a lost ATM card request is handled using AMC's translation capability.
Hello, I lost my ATM card and need help.
I'm here to help. When did you last use your card?
امبارح في محل بقالة.
Yesterday at a grocery store.
Got it. I'll temporarily lock your card for security. Would you like us to send a replacement?
نعم لو سمحت.
Please.
Alright, your new card will arrive in 3 to 5 business days. Before we finish, did any unauthorized charges appear?
لا كل شيء طبيعي شكرا.
No, it's all normal, thanks.
Great, you're all set. Let me know if you need anything else.